guys, the print just finished. Take a look at it. Let's open it up. Man, oh man, this thing, it turned out so cool. The Flexi Dinosaur 3D print. All right, so let's take it off the plate here. It's pretty easy to take off. I got a little bit of action going on here. Might have to fix that up. Nothing to worry about though. Man, look at that. That is so cool, guys. I'm digging it. This filament from Amazon is really surprising. I'm digging the coloration change. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this Flexi Dinosaur. You see a lot of these being sold at like the craft places that are selling 3D prints. I'm not really into selling stuff, but this is a really popular print to sell, guys. So I have two Dinosaur 3D prints here for my nephew. Which one's cooler, this one or this one? What do you think a young boy of the age of 4 would enjoy more? I think I'm going to print another one too. All right, guys, hit me up in the comments. What'd you think of that print? Make sure to subscribe. Lots more to come. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.